Hello everybody. Okay, today we're going to create a program. First of all, we're going to import time. Okay, so we're going to import the time module, and basically we're going to loop through some numbers, and we're going to exit when we get to a certain number, and then we're going to print out a message. So the numbers here are equal to, I'll put them in an array, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. So I'll put them in there. Those are the numbers that we're going to be looping through. So now I'm going to create a function here, which is define numbers exit. So I'm going to exit this array when I reach a certain number. So there we go. So let's have a look for number in numbers. So we're going to do the little loop here for number in numbers. Okay, let's have a look for numbers in numbers. Print number. Print the number here. It's going to output the number, print the number. Okay, now we're going to do our little if statement here. So if, let's say, the number is equal to 7, so when the number reaches 7, we want it to do something. So we want it to print, let's say, print number 7 reached. Number 7 it reached will exit loop now. Okay, so we've reached the number 7, so we're going to exit the loop now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set up another function here. So the second function I'm going to do is end, let's say, of loop. Call it end of loop. So I'm reach the end of loop, which is number 7 here. We're going to create the next function, which is going to be the function of defined end of loop. Okay, so that's the next function. So when we reach the end of the loop, what do we do? So we're going to print a message, and we're going to tell people that we are waiting. 1, 2, waiting. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do time dot sleep. So we're going to pause it a little bit, and I'm going to pause it for 1 second. We could actually pause it for any amount of time we wanted. I could pause it for 567 seconds, but I'm just going to pause it for 1 second here. Okay, so we're going to pause that for 1 second, and then we're going to print out another message, print, and let's have a look. Simply telling the person that you reached, let's have a look, number 7, which we already know. You reached number 7. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go to another function here that we're going to create in a minute, which is end program. So we're going to end this program because we've reached what we want to reach. So we're going to create the next function, which is the end program, which is here, end program. So basically I'm going to do another little pause using the time function here that I imported, the time module. So that's going to be time dot sleep, and I'm going to make it sleep for 1 second. So we're just going to wait for 1 second here. Okay, and then we're going to print out some information so the user knows what's going on in the program. So program is shutting shutting down. Okay, that's clear enough. Program is shutting down, and then we're just going to quit the program totally. So I hit quit there. Okay, so now we've got everything. So all we need to do now is call it. So basically all I need to do is use numbers exit to call this, because it will execute itself. So I'm just going to type there, just outside of the loop, numbers exit. There we go. Click like that. So we're going to call the functions. Just going to click save there, and now we're going to run the program. There we go. There you go. And look, your program is still running. Do you want to kill it? Yes, I want to kill it. I want to quit the program. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Waiting. You reached number 7. Program is shutting down. Okay. There you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your auntie. So remember to give me a like and subscribe to the channel as well. It helps me out a lot. You know, I'm learning programming, you're learning programming, and I'm showing you what I'm doing. So everybody's a winner. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.